Elecampane. The energy of Elecampane is particularly appropriate to opening the channels that permit wisdom from the plant world to stream toward you. Elecampane root is rather bitter, so you'll most likely want to add honey. If you can't find Elecampane, or simply can't endure the taste, you can use dandelion root, which is somewhat less bitter. This routine is preferably carried out outside, while sitting at the base of a tree, or in your garden, or anywhere in nature that you have access to. If this isn't a choice, nevertheless, the indoor version works as well. If you're within, burn some incense to help with an opening of your instinctive mind. Either way, you require a plant to have tactile contact with by positioning your palm versus the trunk of a tree, or holding a leaf of a living plant carefully in between your palms. Inside your home, you can do this with a potted plant, or you can generate leaves that have actually fallen from a tree or other plant outdoors. But do not pluck a leaf for this function. If you have no access to any of these choices, dried leaves of an herb from your cooking area will likewise work. You will require Elecampane tea, usage just 14 teaspoons sliced root, a living tree, plant, or plant material such as leaves or dried herbs, frankincense or sandalwood incense. If working inside. Directions: brew the tea for up to 5 minutes, then sweeten with honey. If you're going outdoors, particularly if you're exceeding your yard, you'll probably wish to transfer it to a thermos. You can begin consuming the tea as quickly as it's prepared, ideally for a couple of minutes as you get ready for the routine. Go outside to your selected tree or plant or place in your garden and sit conveniently. Invest a few moments taking pleasure in the sensation of being outdoors. Breathe deeply and relax your mind. Consume some more of the tea. Then place your palm on the tree trunk or take the leaf of the plant and hold it carefully in your hands and sit quietly for a few more minutes. When you feel completely focused, state the following affirmation or develop a mantra. Living spirits of earth, teach me to listen from the stillness of my. Blessed be. If you're inside, bring the tea and your plant or leaves herbs to a peaceful, comfy place where you won't be disturbed. Light the incense and invest a couple of moments breathing deeply and relaxing your mind. Drink some more of the tea. Then take the plant material and hold it gently in your hands and sit silently for a couple of more minutes. When you feel totally focused, say the above affirmation or develop a mantra. Whether you're inside your home or out, continue to sit quietly consuming the tea and just observe whatever enters your mind. You might want to repeat this routine once a week for a month or so and keep track of how your intuition concerning plants and organic magic continues to progress.